Hello, beautiful goddesses. It's been a while. So, taxes time come in. So, I purchased myself a little vacuum cleaner. Nothing. Beautiful Bristol. I think it's called Bristol. Yeah, Bristol down there. Beautiful vacuum cleaner. Lovely. We got this rug. There's three of them for the house, but we're mostly hardwood. So, didn't need big vacuum cleaner. But there's a side effect to this vacuum cleaner. My husband's going to demonstrate. Go ahead, turn it on. Weird side effect. Whenever you turn it on, we end up with this noise. Like, I'm not sure if we should turn it back in or not. I mean, it's this weird. I've never heard that come from a vacuum cleaner before. I mean, if anybody could tell me what that noise is, should I return this? Because it is brand new. Alright. I don't think he likes it. We've had hardwood floor for too long. He doesn't know what a vacuum cleaner is. Alright, beautiful guys, girls. Guys and girls, I'm going to let y'all go. We're going to get this rug cleaned. Stay beautiful.